Konnichiwa, weather enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the fascinating topic of talking about the weather in Japanese with Genrise Language Training. Let's explore. First, let's learn how to describe the weather. Hari means sunny in Japanese, and ami means rainy. Now let's ask about forecasts. Ashita no tenki wa do desu ka means how's the weather tomorrow? And Aryuki ga furu kamoshiremasen means it might snow. But wait, there's more. Let's explore some popular weather idioms. Em futaji kadamaru literally means after the rain, the ground hardens, and it's used to describe how challenges can strengthen us. Practice these phrases and idioms to become a weather expert in Japanese. Kanire, mashita no tenki wa dou desu ka? There you have it, weather aficionados, talking about the weather in Japanese like a pro. For more language skills tailored to your interests, check out Genrise Language Training. Sayonara.